Carb Cycling Explained. How to use it for fat loss and muscle growth. Carbs. Are they your best friend or worst enemy? One day you hear they're making you fat. The next day you hear they're fueling muscle growth. So, what's the truth? Today I'm breaking down carb cycling, how to use it for fat loss and muscle gain. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to time your carbs for maximum results. Let's go. What is carb cycling? Carb cycling is a strategic way of eating carbs to match your body's energy needs. Some days you eat more carbs, some days you eat less. But why? It's simple. On high-carb days, you fuel intense workouts, build muscle, and replenish glycogen. On low-carb days, you force your body to burn fat for energy. So instead of fearing carbs or cutting them completely, we control them. Carb cycling typically follows a pattern like this. 1. High-carb days are for training days like heavy strength workouts. 2. Moderate carb days are for lighter training or maintenance days. 3. Low-carb days are for active rest days when you need less energy. This method helps you burn fat on low-carb days, while optimizing performance and muscle recovery on high-carb days. High-carb days. When and what to eat. On high-carb days, you're fueling performance and muscle growth. Best days for high-carb intake. Heavy weightlifting days, high-intensity training like HIIT, sprinting, or CrossFit. Best carb sources: rice, quinoa, oats, sweet potatoes, whole grains, fruits like bananas and berries. Pair carbs with lean protein and healthy fats to optimize energy levels. Low-carb days. When and what to eat. Low-carb days help your body burn fat for energy. The best days for low-carb intake are rest days, or light activity days such as walking, yoga, or low-intensity cardio. The best foods for low-carb days include protein sources like chicken, eggs, fish, and tofu. Fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. And veggies like leafy greens, cauliflower, and zucchini. This keeps you full, stabilizes blood sugar, and promotes fat burning. Sample weekly carb cycling plan. Here's a simple breakdown of a 7-day carb cycling routine. Monday, high carb, leg day or heat or CrossFit. Tuesday, low carb, rest day. Wednesday, moderate carb, upper body workout or strength training. Thursday, low carb, light cardio. Friday, high carb, heavy lifting or HIIT or CrossFit. Saturday, moderate carb, active day. Sunday, low carb, recovery. Adjust the plan based on your training schedule and goals. Who should use carb cycling? Carb cycling is perfect for fat loss, as it helps burn fat on low-carb days while keeping muscle. It's also great for muscle growth, fueling your gains with strategic carb intake. Athletes and gym goers can maximize performance and recovery. If you want a flexible, science-backed approach to carbs, carb cycling is a game changer. Remember, carbs are a tool, not the enemy. Use them wisely, stay consistent, and watch your body transform. Now you know how to use carb cycling for fat loss and muscle growth. Are you going to try it? Comment below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed nutrition and fitness tips.